It's pretty crazy going through all of our stuff. It's exciting, it's sad, it's interesting. I mean, we've been together 6.5 years.
To do this video.
We're Jenna and Jeremy,
Welcome back to our channel.
a place for travel, fun, and beautiful destinations.
Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to tune in to our weekly videos. You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. As a reminder, on our van life road trip in August, we made a huge life decision.
We bought our first home. It's an RV.
This video will show you some behind-the-scenes details as we transition into our exciting new lifestyle. Pre-RV life, downsizing, donating, and selling nearly everything.
It's pretty crazy going through all of our stuff. It's exciting, it's sad, it's interesting. I mean, we've been together 6.5 years.
To do this video.
Hi, Santa Claus. We've been together 6.5 years, so we have a lot of stuff that's been accumulated, and we had lives before each other, so we are really dwindling down everything we own. The goal is to only bring everything we need in the RV, and anything else sell and donate unless it is super, super important and we need to put it in a storage unit. But our goal is not to be spending money on a storage unit. We should only have what we need. Well, because this guy broke his arm, I get to do the honors of taking apart this dining room table and having it ready for the person coming to pick it up.
I'll help you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I might have tried to sell some things too early. We have someone coming to get our microwave, but we're still here for 2 more weeks. We have someone to get our kitchen table, someone's getting our chair. So I don't know what we're gonna do for the next 2 weeks. Sit on the ground and eat a sandwich. Well, the dining room table is sold. The dining room chairs are sold, but our desk isn't sold, so it's kind of our dining table.
We've done a lot of selling in the house, but it's time to go to the garage.
I don't want to.
I don't want to.
That's where all the junk stuff is. Oh no. Too much stuff. And we just organized the garage. And now we are in our camping chairs, and the last thing to be sold will be the desk. And hopefully that white thing. All right, we are struggling on when to sell the washer and dryer. You don't want to sell it too soon because then you'll be without. But if you wait till the last minute and you have to go and you haven't sold it yet, then that's going to stink because that's a couple $100 you can make.
Oh, Jenna, what are you doing there, honey?
I have no motivation.
Motivation. We're going to be mobile in a few weeks.
So a lot of you are saying, well, why don't you guys just get a storage unit and throw everything in there and then you don't have to worry about the whole moving thing and getting rid of stuff? Well, to answer that question, the main reason is that Jeremy and I are obsessed with minimalism and downsizing and not having so much stuff that clutters your life. So when we come back from RVing, which we don't know when that will be, we don't want to come back to a bunch of stuff. So I started to get a little bit more organized. As you can see, this is the sell pile, the keep pile, and the donate pile. Making some progress. That area is keep, and then this is still have to go through. Look how many tubs I've emptied. All of those tubs were filled with stuff. Oh my goodness, we have 5 tents. We've had 5 tents this whole time, and we've only needed 1. So much toothpaste. We can't bring all this toothpaste with us in the RV. I don't understand. Oh my goodness. Officially stressed. And I'm taking it out on Jeremy.
I'm all helpless trying to do things.
Yeah, that's the point. You can't help me with anything. Jeremy's making me do meditation because I'm so stressed. Definitely don't need my wedding dress in the RV. Oh my gosh, look at how messy and crazy our room looks right now. But the bed is gone. Okay, we did it. Look at how big the closet was, and it was fully loaded. Now, that's all we have. La la la. Today's September 2nd, Jeremy's birthday. And this is the room that's left. Everything else is done and good.
It's been a long day. We talked at the same time.
8:30 on Jeremy's birthday.
It's been a long day.
Jeremy's birthday probably wasn't that much fun because we've been moving, selling, donating, but
Yeah, but
we're
the
almost
excitement
there.
to eventually hit the road.
Tomorrow morning. Goodbye. All right, here we go. Our master bedroom is officially cleaned out. Time to vacuum. Bedroom 2 done. Hallway done. Bathroom is done. Yay! Well, the kitchen is good to go. It is empty, and the dining room is empty. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. You locking up?
Locking the doors.
Because we're going adopted.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe for more travel videos as we hit the road. Here's a sneak peek from the Badlands of South Dakota. See you next week.